Hello. So let's have our weekly overview. This is now Thursday, the 28th. The previous one, as you remember, if you have watched it, we had a bearish outlook, especially on the EU indices. And of course, we were right. Everything has dropped ever since, which has reflected nicely on our account here. So now we're going to start this weekly review. We're going to concentrate a little bit on shorting the weakest, which right now is Europe, for a variety of reasons. First of all, we have the COVID, the round two. Some major European countries are going into partial lockdowns. So, unlike Asia, Asia seems to have dealt with it in a better way. Europe is a little bit behind, and US it's something that uh, we will examine in a couple of months. But for now, COVID round two combined with the Brexit, okay, combined with the tourism in the south, you have Italy, Spain, Greece. You have all these countries that they're very much dependent on tourism, and it seems like last season was lost. Maybe this next summer season will be lost. And in addition to this, we have the escalating problems with Turkey, which is very, very important for the European Union, especially Germany being German's biggest trading partner, and also Spain and Italy are exposed heavily to Turkish debt, and President Erdogan is going nuts right now. So Euro USD, from a technical point of view, we're gonna go short, okay, and uh, the chart is self-explanatory. Key levels for a take profit would be the 1010 level, and also further down as a secondary 1.08, and why not even all the way down here to 1.06. So this is a trading idea that we will publish. Of course, this is affecting the Brexit, especially is affecting the pound. This is a GBP NZD idea that we posted on the 20th, 8 days ago. And let's take a look if indeed it dropped from the point we had suggested it. Yes, it is still dropping. Okay, that this one went really well. In general, all the indices, especially the European indices, have dropped way more than the American ones. Okay, so our weekly review, you can watch it on the link below. You will see that it went really, really well. Now, when it comes to the before we go to the US indices, let's take a look at the DAX. So we had proposed two take profit levels. Both of them had been hit, and it's under that area. We're still short on the DAX. The same with the UK. This is daily chart. Okay, you see that it has dropped. It did find support there, but we do expect it to drop more. Goldman Sachs, also we propose to sell. It has dropped. It's like dropping exactly on the arrow that we drew on October the 14th. And then from then on, we will look at Nasdaq, which is obviously the strongest stock market. Okay, very important to the US. We were expecting it to test this support level here. So let's see. It was dropping. We're proposing a sell and to rebound on this yellow line here. Let's see what happened. It did drop at exactly that level, and it did find support there, and it did not break under this level, but it might. It all has to do with what happened with the US, with the elections, with the next round of stimulus, and so on. Last look, we'll take our oil. This is what we posted on September 2. Now we have the 28th of October, so it's almost 2 months ago. Okay, so we were expecting a drop from that point on. We click on sell, and we see it did. It did drop. It did find support. At a later stage, we drew exactly the levels that we were expecting it to hover in. So this line over here, this was posted on September 18. So let's click on play. Indeed, it did drop, and you see now it dropped under this level. So we're taking a closer look at this stage on oil. Okay, this is a monthly tab, the all-time support area. If we go from monthly to weekly, we will see, and then from then to daily. So it's under this level over here, and we will see at which stage it will drop. Fundamentally, okay, we all know that the world is going towards using natural gas and so on. For the time being, it's a little bit unclear, but once it drops under this level, we will wait to go for a big short. Biden, if especially if Biden wins and his outlook on oil and what he's talking about oil, this should continue. So this is the news for now. Get in contact with us for more, for daily signals, and we will take it from there. Just to take a look on our demo account here. So you see it's growing exponentially. It's going really well, and it's all based on the signals that we have been posting. We're rather proud to take a look. You see, we did short the Dow Jones right up there, like at the very, very top. It couldn't have been better. Okay, France 40, the German stock market also, the UK, and of course the US tech that is offering us opportunities to hedge a little bit. So we're buying the Nasdaq at some point to hedge our sell positions on the other indices, especially the Dow Jones and the European indices. So that's it from us. Always happy to share with you. Take care.